Need power, loading, location? This Medley warehouse checks all the boxes. Welcome to 12601 Northwest 115 Avenue, Unit 8-114, a rare opportunity to own over 11,400 square feet in one of South Florida's most strategic industrial locations. You got over 6,400 square feet of warehouse space, 20 to 22 foot clear ceiling heights, dock high loading plus a rear ramp, which means this property is built for serious operations. And the office spaces, 2 stories, modern, professional, and ready for your team. You need 3-phase heavy power? Whether you are manufacturing, distributing, exporting, or scaling your business, this is the kind of property that positions you for growth. This property features hurricane impact windows and doors, gated security, and 14 assigned parking spaces plus extra visitor parkings, all with immediate access to the Turnpike, Palmetto, Okeechobee Road, and I-75. Medley industrial inventory is very limited, and opportunities like this don't last. I'm Claudia Splinter with Trajan Commercial. Let's schedule your private tour.